Hey guys, gig into everyone. On this video, I'm gonna tell you about my 1 month Python course, and today is day number 22. So let's start. Okay, and we're gonna start with checking my plan. Today, the week number 4 and day number 22. So the topic is Introduction to Data Analysis, using libraries like NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation and analysis. Okay, what I'm gonna do is copy this topic and go to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT bot to provide information for this topic with practical examples. Okay, I'm gonna post the name of my topic, and I'm gonna add with practical examples. Okay, here we go. Okay, we are waiting for reply. Okay, let's start checking the reply. Okay, Introduction to Data Analysis, using NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation and analysis. Data analysis is a crucial skill in today's data-driven world. It involves extracting meaningful insights from raw data to make informed decisions. Two popular libraries used for data manipulation and analysis are NumPy and Pandas. In this introduction, we will explore the basics of these libraries and provide practical examples of their usage. Point number 1, NumPy. NumPy, numerical Python, is a powerful library for scientific computing in Python. It provides support for large multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with a vast collection of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays efficiently. Key features of NumPy. First, multi-dimensional arrays. NumPy main object is the ND array, n-dimensional array, which allows you to perform operations on large dataset efficiently. Okay, I highlight the text of the n-dimensional array and the array. Mathematical functions. NumPy provides a wide range of mathematical functions, such as trigonometric functions, statistical functions, linear algebra operations, and more. So, and last one, it's a broadcasting. NumPy enables operations between arrays of different shapes by automatically broadcasting the smaller array to match the shape of the larger array. Okay, there is a practical example where we calculate the mean and standard deviation of set of numbers using NumPy. Okay, we import the NumPy library. By the way, it's not a built-in library, so we have to download it from internet. Okay, so and we have an array here, and we calculate the mean using an NumPy libraries methods. Okay, we print, and then we calculate the standard deviation. So also we use a NumPy library methods. Okay, second library is a Pandas. Pandas is the powerful library built on top of NumPy that provides high-performance data manipulation and analysis tools. It introduces two primary data structures, series, one-dimensional, and data frames, two-dimensional, which allow for efficient handling of structured data. Key features of Pandas. First one is a data frame. Pandas data frame is tabular data structure similar to a spreadsheet or SQL table where data is organized in rows and columns. It provides convenient indexing, slicing, and reshaping capabilities. Second one, data manipulation. Pandas offer a wide range of functions for cleaning, transforming, and reshaping data. It allows for operations like merging dataset, handling missing values, filtering, and more. And last one is a data visualization. Pandas integrates with other libraries such as Matplotlib or Seaborn to facilitate data visualization and exploration. So, and there is a practical example where we load a dataset into a Pandas data frame and perform some basic analysis. So here on the first line, we import Pandas, and then we load dataset from a CSV file here. Then we display the first few rows of the data frame. Okay, this line of code. Then we summary statistics, this one. Then we select specific columns by this code. Then we filter data based on conditions, this code. Then we group data and calculate mean by this code. Okay, by using NumPy and Pandas, you can efficiently manipulate and analyze data, perform complex computations, and gain valuable insights from your dataset. These libraries provide a solid foundation for data analysis tasks and are widely used in various domains, including finance, research, marketing, and more. Okay, thank guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. I recommend you to open ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT bot to provide information about these libraries and about these topics. So see you on the next video. Ciao, ciao.